Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time is simple countdown, and this template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Mine is in countdowns, and just drag and drop countdown number 1, connect to media out, press number 2 on the keyboard, wait few seconds to render, and you will get a countdown. Line up all tools to the grid, arrange tools to the grid, ungroup, and here it is. First, here is the background, black background, just nothing special. The number is here animated. Every second is going 1 second down. And then down here is the text simple countdown. And then here is the line. And then up here is the ellipse, but I use the duplicate and rectangle to mask, so I can make it you can see here six lines, and use with the duplicate. And then here I have light. I will show you. First one is here and second one is here, and it's go down with this line. And then next one is this line. This line is animated here in this merge. Just simple go down, and of course here you will get the circle, and here this circle I copied and just use the rectangle to mask and make a small light with the glows, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.